Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw some Mr. Eggs together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the outline of the first egg. Draw 6 curved lines for the decorations. Now draw 2 stars in the first part of the egg. Draw 3 stars in the second part of the egg. And 3 in the third one. Draw 2 stars in the last part of the egg. Excellent! The first Easter egg turned out great! Now trace the outline of the second egg. Draw 8 zigzag lines like I do. Draw 12 small circles. Good job! The second egg also turned out great! Now trace the outline of the third egg. Draw 4 diagonal lines inside it. Draw 6 wavy lines. Wow! Our eggs turned out really well! Good job! Now let's set the colors. Use red for the horizontal lines. Use orange for the 2 stars at the bottom and top of the egg, as well as for the bottom of its middle part. Use pink for the bottom of the egg, for the stars, and for the top of the egg. Use light green for the bottom 3 circles of the second egg, the first and third parts of the egg. Use dark green for the first bottom part of the egg, for the 3 circles of the second part, for the third part, for the circles of the third part, and for the top part of the egg. Use yellow for the zigzag lines and circles in the center of the egg. Use light blue for the wavy and diagonal lines of the third egg. Use dark blue for the second, fourth, and fifth parts of the bottom, like I do. Then use purple for the remaining parts. Excellent! Our eggs turned out great and are ready for Easter. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!